In this tutorial, we'll show you how your students can log in to access their Imagi EDU accounts. Students can log in by going to edu.imagilabs.com or opening the Imagi EDU app on tablet or iPad. They'll select I'm a student. They'll be able to enter their username, class access code, and password. Once logged in, students will be able to view the shared projects of their teacher and other students within the classroom, but not any draft projects. While they can view the code of other students' projects, they will not be able to copy the code of shared projects. They can navigate to projects to begin coding their first design using the code editor, or improving some of their drafts. Once they're finished, they can save their draft and publish it to share it with their teacher and their class. Students can also navigate to learning content to access the Imagi creative coding lessons as learning slides or as worksheets.